The Land Rover Defender has been an icon for ages. So let me start by asking you a question. How do you redefine an icon?
Push harder, dig deeper. You go above and beyond. You capture its very essence. Then you reimagine it. You design, engineer, and build it without compromise.
This is how Land Rover introduced its new Defender in 2020. So we can say the same thing about how almost real models have made this 1:18 scale model of the Land Rover Defender 90. Welcome to another episode of GNS Miniatures. So today we have this 1:18 scale Land Rover 90 by Almost Real Models. So if you want to get one of these models, you can get two options, either the 90 or the 110. Both versions are available with Almost Real Models. So before we get on with the unboxing, let's take a closer look at the box that we have. There we go, that's the front view of it, that's the back view. So it's a nice box, can be opened from the side. Like this, and then you get a styrofoam box like that. So let me keep this aside, and on this box it shows the front side. So have that packing beads, and it's actually sealed from the side like that, so can remove the cardboard seals on either side, keep them safe so that you can use it later. And before we get into the box, we have a pack of goodies. So I'll show you guys what these are later on. And then we have the certificate certifying that this is a limited edition. So this is serial number 775. So this is a limited edition model, comes with the certificate, and there's a decal in the back as well. I'll show you this later on. And take this box out. We have this beautiful model. You will need to have a screwdriver, or you can turn these by hand as well if you want to remove it quickly. Speed up the process. So here we have the out of the box Land Rover Defender 90. So Land Rover provided 4 different packs for this model: the Urban Pack, the Country Pack, the Adventure Pack, and the Explorer Pack. So based on the accessories that Almost Real Models have provided, this is Explorer Pack because of the accessories and also because of the matte black decal that goes on the bonnet. So let's take a closer look at this model and fix these accessories onto it. The Explorer Pack has the deployable roof ladder, which you can fix here, and this can also be collapsed like that. And then you have the change this side around, the exterior side mounted gear carrier, which you can open. It's supposed to have things in there, and it's supposed to be lockable, so you can mount that one there. and then you also get the Explorer roof rack, which can go on there, and this is magnetized, so it'll stay properly there. And then you have the A-frame protection bar that is also using magnets, will attach nicely there. And then finally you get the matte black decal that will go on top of this unit. Now the other accessories that are available for the Explorer pack are the air scoop on the side, the guards on the wheel arches, the mud flaps there with the Land Rover logo, and then the spare wheel cover there, and then fixed side steps on the side, and then also on the bottom there is the shield for the under chassis. So let's take a closer look at this model. Taking a closer look at this model, now this model has opening doors. Let me open them with this. Opening doors. There you go. And opening bonnet. And a very well detailed engine bay. Love what they have done with the struts and the hinges. They work fantastically, as you guys can see. And then there's the mesh, and you can see the cooling fan in there as well. That's a real mesh. Also Land Rover badge. The lights look really nice. And then you have working suspension, rotating wheels, turning front wheels. And we go in the interior. Says, there you go, Defender. There's a Defender logo there as well. You can't see that, but it's really fine there. So that's a lovely interior. Says Defender there as well. That's a roof. Go, it says Defender right over there as well. And then before I forget, there's a part there. There we go. The tow hook comes out. You can fold it, push it back up, stays there. Really nice details on the lights. Go Land Rover, and the mud flaps that has the Land Rover logo as well. The steering does work. Let me close this and show you what's the undercarriage look like. So we have working suspension in the back as well, and a lot of details there. So overall, really nice model, looks great on the close-ups. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. So first we have to thank the guy who gave us this model to review, Mr. Yadavan. Thank you so much. And the guys who brought down this model to Sri Lanka, peghunter.lk. So if you're interested in getting one of these models, you can also look at their Facebook site, peghunter.lk. So if you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit that bell icon so you get notifications when we upload new videos. Also, like us on Facebook and on Instagram. Thank you very much. See you guys later with another video. The country pack,